That's a really nice big port.
The magnets from EMF.
Wow. So how big is this port?
12 inches.
12-inch port. Wow. What are these subwoofers rated for? Are they like 5,000 RMS subs? Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's your name, man?
Carlos from DBionics.
DBionics, okay. Can you put this all the way up real quick?
Yes.
So I do a lot of YouTube videos. JacobViral, nice to meet you, man.
Oh yeah.
So could you tell me your name and what all's in here? Go ahead.
I got 218s EMS Jodo with the Cosmo Audio's 5K.
Okay.
2XX power, 3100 in the trunk, and 130-400 in the front. And a Iraqi alternator 320.
320, okay.
From Iraqi.
Nice. What is there a port or is it sealed box?
It's a port.
Port.
Aeroport. 12
okay.
inches.
12 inches, okay. Do you know the tuning on it?
Yes, 42 hertz.
42, okay. Is there a way I could go see how it looks? Awesome. Whoa.
All kind of stuff.
It's okay, it's okay. That's a really nice big port.
The magnets from EMF.
Wow. So how big is this port?
12 inches.
12-inch port. Wow. What are these subwoofers rated for? Are they like 5,000 RMS subs?
There's 1,500 of these.
Okay, got it. Are they Neos?
Neos.
Neos, very nice. Wow. Who made the port?
I get for 30 bucks. Well, that's a big ass ports.
Okay, got it. And you got it mounted down so it don't move?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Do you know the tuning on this?
I don't really know the tuning, but I think this bus is 42, 43 hertz.
42, okay, 43 around. SPL.
But that's supposed to be the bare box.
Got it. Yes, sir.
I play music, I don't care.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. Very nice. Awesome. Can I see under the hood?
This is a musical speakers, not the SPL one.
Yeah, where's the amps and all, too?
I got it for the highs, I got Taramps.
Okay.
Taramps for the highs, crossover, and the Cosmo Audio's all the way there.
Got the 5K?
5K Cosmo.
Nice. Is that at 1 ohm or half?
Yes, 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. Very nice.
This is,
And the lithium bank is underneath too?
I don't have no lithium.
No lithium. Oh, just the AGM in the back. Got it. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man.
Yes, sir. Good job. Can I see the alternator?
Yeah.
Just to see underneath. Team DB Addicts. Hot?
Real is bad.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Carlos's system. He was showcasing it at the Virginia show TDH, Team Deadly Hurts in 2023. Go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Really impressive for two 18-inch subs. Huge port. I went ahead and looked inside the box for y'all so you can kind of see how the magnets are. I don't know the exact RMS rating on them, but they are Neo magnets from EMF. And peaking in the 40 Hz range means his box is a little bit smaller than needed, but it got the job done to get the score he probably wanted. I wish I would have found out more information about the SPL score, but I didn't. But this is a 12-inch Aero port. Really optimized his port area to cone area subwoofer ratio for this enclosure. So a total of 5,000 watts between the two 18s. Most likely the amplifiers ran at 1 ohm. And we're going to be getting to the bass demo now. 3 minutes of bass footage. Going to be getting you some outside flex and inside flex. Consider subscribing for daily car audio videos every day and enjoy the demo.
Your number with my phone, I'm hoping that it rings and that it's you telling me that it was all a dream. No longer down here dealing with these petty things. I pray you got to trade your pain for a set of wings. Meanwhile, I'm down here tripping, didn't realize time was ticking. Every time that I was down, you pick me up. Damn, I miss you. I hate to question God, but I don't understand. But I really wish He would've let me in on His plan. Silence.
Awesome. Man, you're really loud doors. Hurt my ears a little bit, but I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you.